So I run these experiments on this GitHub page that I will leave below, and I just tested different activation functions, ReLU, GELU, and SiLU in FeedForward network, and I found no meaningful difference. If you see here, the loss is almost the same. It's just maybe this randomness. So I'll show you what I did. So I did two things. I have this feed forward. So this is the feed forward layer. I just have the activation function, one of these, and also the experiments with using attention bias. So in the linear projection matrix I have this combined linear matrix that's going to project the input into query key value all at once, and then we will use bias, experimenting with using bias or not using bias, and I just feel like there is no much difference at all in comparison, especially for example, different architectures. So I'm gonna leave you this URL below, and you can check this. This is the setup. So 5,000 steps, 6 layers, 8 heads. This is dimension. This is the I used small LM dataset. It's called small LM dataset, and I think here in experiment pi you can just check the dataset and everything here. Here, small LM corpus, and you can check the rest of the file. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.